What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be drawing a sanitizer because now the coronavirus is spreading really fast, so we must keep our part and social distance people, and please carry a sanitizer if necessary. Okay, I mean not necessary, like it's like you're belonging like a money. Please do that. Okay, please. Okay, for students like me, if you're primary 3, you can do this, decorate it. I mean, you can color it because I'm obviously gonna draw it and you're gonna follow me. Oopsies, okay, draw. So the galaxy have the pencil, yeah. Anyways, so you can just put it in your study table, and then you can every time when you're going out, and yeah, you can just look at it and you can remember to bring your sanitizer. And then write down, you can say, always remember to bring sanitizer. Okay, maybe a whole box of sanitizer to when you go to the grocery store, you must buy it. Okay, so let's get to the drawing. Yeah. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna draw the bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna go zoom in here. Okay, oops. Okay, okay, so now let's do the bottle. Okay, let's go down. No, why did I? Okay, that was perfect. Okay, maybe this bottle can be bit big. That was okay too. Now let's of course decorate it. So let me do its eyes. Let's make it wide and big. Okay. So let's color its eyes. Okay, after that, let's do its eyebrows. So, press. I cannot press. Guys, I don't know why you're not pressing. Okay, now finally can press. Okay, so let's do its eyebrow. What's wrong? Okay, and then its mouth, like this. Okay, I think that's much better. Okay, let's do its cape. So I'm gonna do the tie first. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. Okay, oh. Okay, it was like this. Oh, need to erase. Okay, give me a 1 for 10 seconds. Done. See? Magic. Okay, so let's do this. Now let's do it. Okay. Then let's do it here also. That's much better. Then that also. Okay. I may accidentally do it too far, too much, but hey, don't know whether you need a sanitizer or not. Okay, this I'll draw really big because this is really familiar. I think some of you already guessed it. I guess, okay, I guess you done it, you already know it. So yeah, maybe you can see it, maybe you can. It's Superman! Doo-doo-doo. Okay, now guys, you cannot go to the movie theater. I mean you can, but since of COVID, we cannot go anywhere. Only 2 people can go out. I mean, nobody can go out. Yeah. Full lockdown. For me, it's like a lockdown. What did I do? Okay. Let's take my... Okay, much better. Then let's just do... Aww. Okay. Then let's do its hand. And then Superman. I wanted to. Ta-da-ta-ta. Superman, oh Superman, he's the one who saves the day from COVID to COVID. Hey guys, that's a nice song. You sing that every day. Okay, let me just erase this. Pause it for a second. I'm gonna do magic. 1, 2, 3. See magic. Okay. Let's do the okay, and then maybe like this, then like this, maybe like a bit here, and way over here. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so let's do the coronavirus thing. So guys, you can do any shape, curly wurly. I mean, sometimes you like it. Triangle. Bacteria can be any kind of shape. So I want it to be like a circle. Like this. Yeah. Okay. And then let's do it like this. Yeah. Okay. Let's go here. Much better. Okay, this is kind of scary, but I think you should guys draw this, or you want a cute one, up to you. Okay, my monster is kind of silly. I like kind of monsters like this, kind of silly. So let's draw its teeth. I'm not so good at these, but I'm trying my best. Okay, let's do this. I will make it so sharp because this is just for you to know, not like you gotta be scared of this virus and never go to school. Okay, I'm just gonna make it curly. If you guys wanna be scared and every time bring your thing, you can make it like sharp like this. I'm not gonna do that because sometimes we have siblings at home. I too, so you don't wanna scare them, right? It's just a reminder. This now looks like a sunflower. Now mine. I think that's nicer. Oops. And then maybe a small message. I'm gonna change my color into, let's see, a blue, because we are trying to no, red. Yes, okay. Right here. Always take what do you call it? A sanitizer. Sanitizer. Okay, you can also take like you want to do it another sentence, like always take a sanitizer whenever you go. Can? I'm just showing you for example. So I think that's it. Oh my god, what did I do? So that's it, guys. If you like this channel, like this video, keep a thumbs up and like the video. And if you want me to do more, you can always subscribe. And have a stay and bye. Stay safe and always take to have a sanitizer. Bye.